a cheap version of something made in the 70s is 10 times better than a cheap version of something made today. Hey guys, it's Machines and Metal. I haven't done a buy and sell flip video in a long time. We used to do lots of them a few years ago, but I figured maybe today would be a good day to do another one. So we picked up these two matching Precision brand folding bikes off a local buy and sell website, guys. These are the 20-inch wheeled version. They're kind of like the Rally 20, kind of a knockoff, but these are vintage, guys. They're probably from the 70s or the early 80s. Originally purchased at Caps Bikes. It might have been Richmond or New Westminster. Super good condition. I just gave them a little wash and a degrease. The chrome really shined up nice. They're 3 speeds. So they both have a Sturmey Archer style 3-speed rear hub. I don't think these are Sturmeys. I think they're like a knockoff, a cheap version of them, but a cheap version of something made in the 70s is 10 times better than a cheap version of something made today. Those might be Sturmeys. Yeah, you know what? I think they are. I think I recognize that, the line there in the center. That looks like the Sturmey logo. Actually, if it is a Sturmey, guys, it'll tell us the year of that. Oh, no, it's a Shimano. Ooh. Shimano 3-speed. I can see it right there. It just passed. Very fine print right there. It says Shimano right there. Shimano Japan. So I don't think you can date these like you can the Sturmeys, but I'm pretty sure we're talking 70s. Anyway, I just thought I'd post a real quick video about this. Maybe, hey, let me know in the comments if we should do some more buy and sell flip videos. I've flipped hundreds of things in the last couple of years that I didn't make videos of just because it was busy and didn't have the opportunity to turn the camera on and gather the content. But maybe we'll start it back up because you guys did seem to like that when I was doing lots of it out of the barn there. Anyway, just thought I'd show you those. Score of the day today, guys. $40 for the pair. Gonna flip them on Marketplace. Thanks for watching.